Product backlogs are used on agile projects to store a list of all the requirements needed to bring the project to fruition. In Scrum, the business analyst receives these requirements from the customer and writes them in the backlog in the form of workable user stories. The Kanban approach also uses backlog for continuous improvement initiatives to track work items and change requests. Product backlog management is a technique that typically involves collaboration among customers, product owners, business analysts, and the development team. They work together to analyze, refine, and prioritize the requirements by relative importance. Other factors that could affect the refinement process are customer needs, business value, technical feasibility, and project goals. Continually, high-value requirements are identified and moved to the top of the backlog for the development team to work on. The first objective of backlog management is to prioritize work. Here, the team identifies and focuses on the most critical and valuable features or tasks. Next is adaptability. As the team gains new insights and receives feedback, it allows for the flexibility to adjust and adapt to the changing priorities. The third objective is resource optimization. By organizing and prioritizing tasks, backlog management helps optimize resource allocation, ensuring that the team's efforts are aligned with the project goals. Lastly, backlog management enhances the team's ability to plan and estimate project timelines and deliverables, leading to improved predictability and better project outcomes. My recommendation is for business analysts to take advantage of this fundamental technique in software development to efficiently manage their work, deliver value to customers, and maximize project success. I'll see you in the next nugget.